Hello and welcome to week 9 of Statistics 1. For this week, we're going to be focusing on two main topics. It's in Chapter 8 of the text, and it takes a look at specific ways to identify and collect random samples if you're conducting a study, and also focusing on basic probability. I suggest strongly that you read Chapter 8, maybe read it a couple times and take some key notes on the terminology and some of the formulas that are used for probability. Also, understand the differences again between a population and a sample, different rules for probability, and mutually exclusive events, independent events, and conditional probability. There's some key terms in here that we're going to need. There are 4 items or 4 prompts in the text that I'm asking you to complete for this week. I highly recommend using Slack discussion space to collaborate with fellow students. If you're unsure of a problem, feel free to put it out there and see if anybody wants to answer. I'm also going to have on here, we already have one screencast, and I'm going to be adding a second. This screencast here is a walkthrough of the sample in the text on page 160, the progress check that is focused on conditional probability. So the last prompt for the homework assignment deals with conditional probability, and I recommend that you follow the process that I have on here in the screencast to help you with that. There will also be a screencast posted this weekend on how to actually conduct 8.13 and 8.14. So it's fine, obviously, that you follow that lead to complete the prompts for the week. Obviously, I would love for you to try them on your own first, and if you want to then take a look at the screencast to see if you performed well with it, that would be great. Again, look forward to this week, and you'll see in the progress as we go for this middle of the course. I will agree, week 8 was a bit heavy, dealing with correlation coefficients and linear regression and finding a line of best fit. It was a pretty heavy week. This week, hopefully you'll see that it's not as heavy, but both of them are going together along with information that we had in the beginning of the year to build up to what week 10 promises to be actually a pretty pivotal and important week for the rest of the course and leading into statistics 2 as well. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to put them on email or on the Slack discussion space. I highly recommend using the screencasts. And if you're using the screencast and you're finding that they are either too vague or if I'm going too fast on them, don't be afraid to give me feedback on that as well. All right, well, good luck with week 9. Thank you.